Good evening everyone and welcome to the session number 22 from the playlist of JEE Advanced Physics. The topic is how the relative velocity affect the pressure on the rails of a moving train. So this is the topic which I have generated in order to explain one question which was asked in the IIT JEE exam in the year 1985. So the question here is two identical trains move along the equator in the opposite direction. The pressure exerted on the rails by both the trains will be equal. So we have to find whether this statement is true or false. So the question here is very simple. This is the earth. Now we know that the direction of rotation of the earth is from west to east. This is the east and this is the west. Now one of the train is moving from west to east. That is, it is moving eastward like this. This is the one train is moving eastward and the other train is moving westward. So, since the direction of rotation of the earth is from west to east, so the centrifugal force experienced by the train moving eastward will be more in comparison to the centrifugal force experienced by the train moving westward. And because of that, the pressure exerted on the rails by the train moving eastward will be less in comparison to the pressure exerted by the train on the rail moving westward. So this option B will be is to be selected because this statement is not correct. Now the pressure exerted, the formula for the pressure exerted on the rail, this is equal to mg. There is the pressure exerted by the train moving eastward. This is equal to mg minus m v plus ve square by r. Now here m is the mass of the train, v is the it's the speed of the train, and this is the speed of rotation of the earth. So from this, this is the formula, that is, in order to calculate the pressure exerted on the rail by the train moving eastward will be this, and the pressure exerted by the train moving westward, this is equal to mg minus m v minus ve whole square by r. So from here we can see that the pressure exerted by the train moving westward on the rails will be more in comparison to the pressure exerted by the train moving eastward on the rails. So the correct option here will be B, and this statement is not correct. So in the next session we will be continuing with the same topic of motion, but the question will be different from what we have done today. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.